Hello guys. Now let me introduce you the advantages of our machines. Firstly, please kindly check our machine bodies. Our machine bodies is over 1.2 tons for a size 2516 machine. 1.2 meters plus 2.5 meters. Secondly, as per our cables, all of our cables we use Germany Eagers cables with Germany Eagers jack chains. And also for the two sensors, we also use Japan, Panasonic, Taiwan brand two sensors. And thirdly, as per the guide rails, we usually use Taiwan guide rails. Moreover, as per the electrical parts and servo motor drivers, for servo motor drivers, we use Taiwan Delta or Japan Panasonic servo motors, which are the leading brands in the world. And also, main electrical parts are from Germany Schneider, with the radar controller, which is radar controller is the leading brand in China. And as per the working table, you can see we use the very thick and very strong casted aluminum working table. So, welcome you to our factory and looking forward to cooperate with you very soon. Welcome to Top Sensei.